What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I got another kind of review video for you. It's a little bit different, but last week you guys absolutely killed the video. It was about my Versatire RTs. You guys showed a lot of love and support on that, and I really appreciate that. This week we're gonna go wheels. So we're gonna do a little video about my wheels. I'm gonna give you guys opinions on Arkon wheels and if they're still worth buying in 2023 into 2024. Arkon's been around the block. I used to work for Custom Offsets, so I kind of know the Arkon game pretty well. Today we're going to talk about my Arkon Crown Series Triumphs and kind of, you know, are they worth it? Before we get into the video, please just go hit the subscribe button. It's going to help this channel grow. It takes little to no time at all. And with that being said, let's get into today's video. So let's go. All right, guys, before we get started, I have two things. One, I hope you can hear me. I'm using my new iPhone. That's not a flex. It's just the first time I'm using it to film, so hopefully this all kind of works out. The second thing is, it's been raining here in Indiana, so give me a break about my dirty truck. I'm not going to wash it because within 2 seconds down, you know, a normal road, it's dirty again. So bear with me with, you know, how gross it is. We're still going to get through this video, and it's still going to be just fine. If you guys didn't watch my last video, like I said, it was over my Versatire RTs. And today we're going to do my wheels, but I'm going to run through the whole entire wheel and tire package. That way, if you guys didn't watch that video, you guys still know what I'm rolling with. The wheel and tire package that I have here is a 24x14 Arkon Crown Series Triumph in the satin black finish, which is discontinued. I believe I got the last set of them, so I'm sorry if you wanted this finish. You can always get them powder coated if you get... I still think they have gloss black ones left. So if you want those black and milled or whatever, I'm pretty sure they still have a few sets of those left. So you could always get them powder coated this color. Anyway, nonetheless, doesn't really matter. The wheel is wrapped in a 33 14.5. So 33 tall, 14.5 wide, Versatire RT, which is a pretty rubber bandy setup. Most old heads, most people that were in the older truck scene think that this is rubber bands. I would probably say like a 33 on a 26 is more of a rubber band, but I'm pretty close to that, so I'll give it to them. Definitely not a lot of tire, but a whole lot of wheels. So if you guys don't like that, just get some 22s and 33s. Today's video is all about Arkon and basically, are they worth getting still? And I'm gonna keep this short and simple and say, yeah. I would say if you guys are new into the truck scene, you don't have a whole lot of cash to spend. Most of them are on sale right now. A lot of their models that they're trying to get rid of are usually like half off right now. I got this set for like 1,200 bucks. Yeah, it's a cast wheel. It's not a forged wheel, it's cast, so they basically inject whatever pattern or design it is into a mold, creates the wheels. So to my point, if you guys are new into the truck scene and are looking for a bigger setup, but you don't want to spend a whole crap ton of money, yeah, I'd say go with Arkon's. I know Arkon's chrome designs and chrome wheels are going to be much more expensive. They're chrome, so if you guys are into black wheels or, you know, satin black, whatever, they probably have something for you. Obviously, most of you guys think that you can shove 24-14s on a 3-inch leveling kit. I wouldn't advise that. Don't do that. You're not going to be able to turn. The cool thing about Arkon is they give you just a little bit more offset. So typical 12 wides are like a negative 44 offset, but their 12 wides are like a negative 51 offset. Not a whole lot of companies do that. So if you guys just want just a tad bit more poke with your 12 wides, Arkon's definitely a good option. I believe most 14 wides are like a negative 71 offset, and these are a negative 81 offset. So quite a bit more poke for that smaller width. That's a cool thing about Arkon. Again, this video is not sponsored. It's just my personal opinion. This is my second set of Arkons. My first set were the Arkon Mandelas, which is a super popular wheel design. I was on one of the first sets in 6x135. So all in all, I've had really good luck. I've had one out around Arkon, which was kind of a bummer, but it was a new design, so there was still some kinks I think they were working out with the factory. Another thing that I want to mention about Arkon is most of their wheels are proper directional, and what that means is you should have a right side and a left side, and if you do it right, the spokes should be spinning the same way on both sides, so you're not having one dig in one swoop. So this set of Arkons is actually not a directional wheel. As you can see, the design is pretty much standard all the way around, which I opted for because when it comes to tire rotating and everything like that, I can just swap them wherever I want, which is kind of a downside to proper directional. But some people, you know, you're getting big wheels and tires, you're probably a show person. So really it's more about the aesthetic rather than the functions. Are Arkon off-road wheels still relevant? Are they still cool? Should you still buy them? I would say for the person that is new into the show game that doesn't have a lot of money, it's kind of a no-brainer. You can get a set of 24 14s and some 33 14.5s and have big wheels and tires with not a lot of lift and, you know, flex on the gram, because I know you young kids, that's all you want to do. With that being said, that's really all I have for you guys in today's video. If you guys enjoyed, again, go hit that subscribe button. Please like the video. I have been interjecting Jesus into my videos towards the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I think that I'm gonna get a little more time to make some more quality content, but I'm not really sure. Just bear with me. I promise it'll keep getting better like it always does. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.